Whoa! Whoa! Ah! Now my feet are cold. Where am I? Oh! Bloody hell, I hit something on my keyboard. That spooks me then. Alright, I could do without the spooky... Is that a vent? Oh my goodness! I was standing right underneath that hatch in the ceiling. Do you mind? Oh! Christ. What's with all the noises? Oh, it wasn't there. Did it move? Ah, it moved. Christ. Whoa! I'm still not dead. Or was that a different one? Ah! Let me in. Oh. Whoa! Oh, I missed. Oh, I missed again. I'm scared. Whoa! Oh, this. Oh no! Oh no! 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 This begins now. No! Stop that! Cease! Whoa! Whoa! Why are you not dead? Die! Okay, there we go. Hated that. Oh, you're not dead. What? Whoa! Christ.
Somehow one of them found...
I'm back. Ah. Okay. God. Christ. Round the corner. Oh, okay. Ah. Let's just go check this way. Oh! Ah, the little things. Ah! Too fast? Wait, what? Whoa! Ah. Alright. Well, I think, to be honest, I don't know why I'm riding this. Oh no, what is that noise? Oh no. Where is it? Where is it? Oh no. Ah! Whoa! Are you piece of shit? Ow! I almost died to that. Shoot. Whoa! No! Oh, you! Alright, that's new. That's small brain, but pretended to be... Christ alive! Whoa! Oh, whoa! I was... Oh! Great. Ah! Stay still! What is that noise? Oh, Christ. Oh my god. Where's he going? Where are you going? Why are you running away? Oh man. Oh man, that's actually horrible. Why is he running away? It's not firing. I can't fire. What? Ah! Why are they running away? Get back here. What the? What's going on? Oh my god! What is this doing? They're moving. They're acting so erratically. I'm getting confused. What the? What's going on? You want me to do an impression of Gandalf? You shall not pass! Oh shit, I died. Oh wait, no I didn't really. Oh, I looked the wrong way. No. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Huh? Huh? Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. 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 Oh no. Oh god. Oh god. Okay. Ah! All right. Okay, that was pretty tame actually. I thought they were gonna come at me with the big guns. Oh, that's the big gun. That's the big gun. Oh, headshot. Oh, there's a little alcove. Mother. Oh!
Doing great, Isaac.
Oh, no, wet ammo! Ah!
And stabilized. Now get out of there.
Oh, the flamethrower doesn't work because it's a vacuum! Fuck! You outsmarted me, physics. Gotta say, I am impressed. Oh, okay, I looked away from the screen! What the? Why did that just open on its own? God, that spooked me. What? Did that get back up? No, I just kicked it. Bloody hell, this game spooks me out. That was where I came from. I just hit a... Wait, or was that where I came... Oh, God. Ah! Jump! Let me in!
Exiting zero gravity.
Whoa! Oh, what does that? What? Where? Oh, it's these things. Okay. Oh, stay here. Oh, fuck, missed. Ah, what the? Ah! Fuck! Last time I did it, it wasn't worth it. Whoa! Oh, well, that was bloody bad timing. Oh my god. Ah! What? Where are you going? What? I know you're out there. Ah! Christ! Oh god. I hate this. More bad things coming.
The bridge, Isaac. I'm gonna take us back into a geostation.
Wait, we're not safe yet.
Whoa! What? This is a safe room. What are you doing? Oh god. Favorite is when Gibbs gets scared when the videos pop up. I mean, they shouldn't. They do that on purpose. That's definitely designed to just like. Oh Christ alive! Stop that! No. As I was saying, it's definitely designed to just like ramp up the tension with like ambient noise and then just like, hey, how you doing, buddy? And scare you like that. Whoa! All right, I'm just gonna run away. Whoa! That's very bad. That's very, very bad. Hey, oh, hey, dude. I haven't seen you since chapter 1.
Damn, you scared me.
I scared you? Excuse me. Stop crashing into things. Oh, go. No. That's not flamethrower, not for. What the? What? Holy Jesus Christ! Ow! Serious stuff going on here, Belle. Why are you asking for impersonations? Oh, there's a video. Oh, Christ. They just stabbed him in the eye. Whoa, okay, alright, no. Why? Oh, whoa, wait, that's a bit, you're moving a bit fast there. Whoa, oh, what just happened? Why did I not kill it? What the? Hello? Whoa, holy moly! Oh, whoa! Ah! Okay. Oh, what are you doing? Oh. Whoa! Ah! Whoa! What was that noise? What was that noise? You think I'd feel like empowered? Ah! Whoa! What the? Oh! Whoa! Ah, I can't get past it. Are you dead? I don't think you are. I'm gonna... Okay. I thought that was tentacles. I'm very glad to see the kill it. Yeah, I'm very glad to see those are like pipes, because I was getting very worried. Ah! Oh my god, no, don't... Can't get past this thing, it's too big. Get out of here. I'm hearing noises. Where are you? Hello? Oh, Christ! Ah! Now where am I going? Whoa! What? Ow! Oh, Christ! Stop it! Are there more? I hear more. Why are there more? Stop! Oh. Ah! Whoa! Jesus! Okay. Oh. Very poor form. No, 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 no. Stop! Whoa! I'm scared.
Control system suction box rerouted.
I activated a thing and now I'm scared.
Almost there.
Abomination. Ah! Ah, 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 ah. Oh no, it's infected the corpses. Shit! Stop that. Oh, maybe it wasn't. Oh, yeah, it is. No. Oh, this is very bad. No. You cease. Oh, oh, oh. Hello. I'm just gonna shoot your. Oh, okay, never mind. Boom. Whoa! Oh, come on! Whoa! Ah! Whoa! Holy fuck! This is awful on a controller.
Wait.
Whoa! Jesus!
Isaac Hammond.
Whoa! Oh, never mind. I got spooked by. Oh! 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 What was that? What was that? What the? What the? Whoa! Stop. For the love of God, can you just keep quiet for 1 minute while I... Ah! Stop scaring me! Why? Oh my... Whoa! Alright! That was very, very uncool. Alright, there's blood. Oh! Christ, woman!
Isaac.
Ah! Ah! Stop making noises! Whoa! Ah! Hey! Ow! Ah! Whoa! Ah! Oh! Ah! I see you. Waha! Ah! No! I'm trying to run! Stop reloading! Ow! That did a lot of damage. Alright.
Come in, Isaac. Kendra.
Ah!
Hammond.
Whoa! No!
Breach hydroponics.
Whoa! No! Stop! No! I want a safe area! Ah!
Growing everywhere.
Oh, what was that noise? The guns that... Oh! Ah! Ah! They've taken away my power and now the game's terrifying again. Ah! 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 No! No, 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 no. Oh my God, there's so many of them! Ah! Ah! Let me out! Ow! Ah! Okay, Jesus Christ, close the door. No, 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 no. Okay. Oh my God, I'm so glad that he was not allowed to go. No, 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 no. Oh God, I was just about to calm down. Oh, it doesn't kill it. Oh, how did you not die? These are really powerful. Ah! Oh, oh, oh. Excuse me, sir. Oh, oh, oh. Oh.
Accept your part in the God's plan.
No, I'm an
Embrace
atheist.
your own
Oh, there's a save point. Please let me save. Please let me save. Please let me save. Please. No, 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 no. No, no. Let me save. Let me save. No, no, no. No, no.
Isaac, he's decompressed the entire dash
All right.
and I'm being locked out of those.
Shut up so I can
All
save.
in space.
Ah, I
You
made a
should be able to bring it
mistake.
back online.
Oh, okay. Haha. Joke's on you. Ah, well, oh, it's zero gravity. Joke's on me. Whoa, this is some nice downtime. Oh. Oh. Oh, there's two of them. Oh my God. Oh, Christ alive. This is, please just be open door. Please, for the love of, okay, it's not open. Wait, I'll go this way. Ah! Ah! Okay, okay. Ah! 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 Alright. Belle, you want an inanimate object noise? What inanimate object noise do you want? You want the flamethrower. Okay, the flamethrower is like... And then you just hear like... from all the things I set on fire. Whee! That's a flamethrower. Marbles. Missed marbles yesterday. It's a game where like every viewer gets a marble and they all race, and it's just a bit of fun that I do at the end of all the streams. So yeah, definitely stay tuned. Oh Christ! Am I hearing something trying to attack me while I'm trying to upgrade? What is this? Ah! Bend the next. What? Bend the next. What was that? Good. Ah! It's locked! Oh. Oh. Oh! Oh! What the? What was that? Whoa! Hello, mate! Ah! Why do you fire projectiles? Let me out! Let me out! Alright, I understand now. Ah! Ow! Oh, oh, oh! Ah, for God's sake! Not in the toilet! Ah! Ah! Oh, oh, whoa, whoa, alright, mate, alright, no need, no need.
I think he's hiding something.
Whoa!
Marker.
Ah! Ah! Whoa! Hey, oh, is that New Jersey? Hey, I'm walking here. No, that's New York. Fuck's sake! Oh Christ! Christ! Oh! 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 You coward! Come, I shall shoot off the tentacles, and then stomp your little baby head. Ah! Oui, oui. You wish to fight with me? Take that. Haha, I am behind the wall. Ah, where are you going, little baby? Okay, now it's time for me to run. You better miss. Haha. Say goodbye to the leg. Now, you run, because I am less scared. Oh, very less scared. 180. He's not even there. What is this sacre bleu? Where has it gone? I do not know. I hope you are dead. Head off. Yes, you are. Ah! Ow! You bad baby. Ah! Where did you come from? You cowards! Coming out of the vents. Quoi? Quoi is a French noise. Show me your tentacle. Ah, right. Getting the force gun out. Alternate fire. Why are you not dying? Calm. Let's fuck down. Are we done? I believe we are done. Alright. Ah! We are let down. Alright, what have you got? Show me what you got. Oh! Ah! Oh! Little fuckers. Ah! Ah! Stop dodging the fire, you little shit. Fuck. Show yourself. Ah! Whoa! Whoa! Whoa!